implement page replacement FIFO algorithm. So actually it is related to the memory management topic. So in the morning session itself, we have started with our memory management, right? So this is one of the algorithm used in this memory management. So first of all, we haven't covered this topic into our syllabus, means into our theory lecture. Maybe tomorrow we will start. But today, first of all, we will learn what is this FIFO algorithm, and then we will go for the code, right? So aim is to write a C program to implement FIFO algorithms of page replacement. Okay. And the concept here, the requisite concept of memory management using paging is required. Right? Objectives to understand concept of page replacement, and second to implement FIFO algorithms of page replacement. Okay. So we will see now theory. So basically in the memory management, paging and segmentation, both the things are very, very important. So paging is a storage mechanism used to retrieve the processes from the secondary storage into the main memory in the form of pages. Okay, in general, we can say that processes means pages. Okay, just rough definition. Right, VR means in the form of pages. We call them as a page into our FIFO algorithm. And the main idea behind the paging is to divide each process in the form of pages. We are dividing the processes. So now you know that page means process. And now you have to remember that frame, main memory is divided into number of the vacant slot, and that each vacant slot is called as a frame. Okay. So two new things you have learned. Page is related to the process, and frame is related to your memory. And our aim is that we should allocate the memory to each process. Okay, यह हमने अभी पढ़ा सुबह ही कि why there is a need of memory management. Okay, so we will go this topic in the detail in our theory lecture. So we will see now the algorithm. So here now it is called as a replacement policies. Okay, suppose you remember the morning sessions topic, that is swapping, right? So we do the swapping, right, when there is a no vacant memory slot is available into our main memory. So now how to decide which process we should swap, right? So obviously there should be some rule that we can follow. Randomly we can pick the any process from the main memory and we can swap it with the new one, right? So there should be the proper rules, proper algorithm should be there. So by following that algorithm, we can easily swap the processes. So now first algorithm is first in, first out. Second one is least recently used, and third one is optimal. Okay. So now before going to this algorithm, just remember these new terms. Some new terms are there. So first one, reference string. Now you can see into your example, reference string is given. So what is this reference string? So this reference string is related to your memory. So for example, so if the execution trace of a process generates the following addresses, means addresses are given, right? So 100, 532, 150, 231, 466, 590, right? And with 100 bytes per page. Now page is related to the process, means 100 bytes are allocated, right? So now we have to find reference string. So for each process, the addresses are given, and for each process, 100 bytes are allocated. So your reference string is like this. First of all, write the addresses. So whatever the given addresses are there, write it down, and then this 100 divided by 100. Why this 100? Because 100 bytes per page is there. So your reference string number, page number is 1. So it is called as a page number. So 532 divided by 100. So answer is 5. Right? So page number 5. 150 divided by 100. Answer is 1. So page number 1. 231 divided by 100. Answer is 2. Page number 2. So these are the page numbers. Right? And this is your reference string. You have to follow the sequence that is given into your example. So 1, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5. So this is your reference string into your example. So in example, most of the time, 99% this reference string is already given. But sometimes they give the example in the form of address and this 100 bytes, 200 bytes per page, means per page memory into your question. So if it is given, addresses are given, then you can easily find the page numbers, or directly page numbers are given. You cannot change the sequence. This sequence plays a very important role, right? So now go to the next. Now I think you know that what is reference string. So next is number of the page frames. So each process is allocated a certain number of page frames. If the number of allotted frames increases, the number of page faults decreases. Maybe you have the question, ma'am, what is this page fault? Right? We will learn again two more new things, page hit and page fault. You will understand it when we will solve the examples. So basically these page faults are there, that their page faults depends on first, that is your reference string, then which algorithm you are going to use for this page replacement, and number of available page frames. So just remember, frames means it is related to the memory. Page means it is related to your process. Right? Page replacement means process replacement. कौन सी process replace करनी है, swap करनी है with your secondary memory. Right? So these are the some points that you have to remember. Then hit ratio. So we will find the hit ratio. तो आपको समझ में आएगा definition. So now first algorithm, that is the FIFO. FIFO page replacement algorithm. So FIFO means what? First in, first out. Right? So what you have to remember here in this FIFO algorithm, the oldest page is chosen for replacement. I highlight with the red. So oldest page. Okay, we have to replace here old age page. Okay. So now we will go to the algorithm, means example. So the question is very simple. Consider a page reference string 1303563, right? With 3 page frames. Okay, so memory slots are given, that are 3. So these are the total number of the pages. Okay, so you can see 3, 6, 7 pages are there. Page numbers are given, reference string is given. And what is the question? Find the number of page hits and page faults. Okay, so first of all, only listen it, just concentrate. Right, so we have to find page hit and page fault. So we will start now. So first one, here 3 page frames are given. So make the 3 blocks. So we always start with the 0th frame, first frame, second frame, like this one. Okay, so write this string, reference string, and draw frames for this each page number. Right? So now we will allocate the memory. So first page is there, page number is 1. So you can easily write, we can easily allocate the slot for this page 1. Or you can say that page is accommodated into your frame 1. Right? So now next one is page number 3. So first is there, right? First frame is allocated to page number 1. Now you can see 2 more frames are there, they are vacant. So you can easily allocate the second frame for your page number 3. Right? So now go to the next. So next is page number 0. So you have to check whether that page is present here. No, it is not present here. Page number 1 and 3 is there only. Then you have to check, is there vacant slot? Yes, there is a vacant slot. So you can allocate the memory to this page number. So 1, 3, and then 0. So now go to the next. Next is page number, that is 3. Right? So now here, check whether that page number is there already into your frames. Okay, so you can see here already page number 3 is there. So no need to add, again page number 3 into your frames. So repeat the sequence as it is. So you have to write the sequence as it is. So 1, 3, 0, and it is called as a hit, page hit. Okay, just remember what I have done. So first of all, one by one, I have added the pages into my frames. Right, first frame. So in the first frame, page number 1 is there. Then page number 3 in the second frame. Then 0 in the third frame. Now you can see there is a no vacant place. We have to replace your old page. But next page is 3. So when you check that, is it already there into your memory or in the frame? Yes, it is already there. Then you don't have to replace that page. So just repeat the sequence as it is, and it is called as a page hit. Now go to the next. So page 5 is there into the sequence. So check whether that page 5 is there into your frame. First, third, 0. No, page 5 is not there. But you can also see here there is no any vacant frame. So now here you have to apply your FIFO algorithm. Which algorithm we are going to implement? First in, first out, FIFO algorithm. So now I told you that oldest page you have to replace. So how to find this oldest page? Count your pages. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times page number 1 is there. So 3 kitne times hai? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I was disconnected. Okay, we will start again. Okay. So here now count the page numbers. Am I audible to you properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are here, right? So page hit, I hope that you have understood the page hit. Now we have to enter this page 5. So now count the number, count the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can see that page number 1 is there, which is oldest one. कब का आ चुका है आपके फ्रेम में. Then 3 and then 0. And what is our rule? Replace the oldest page. So your oldest page is 1. So replace it with this 5. So newly coming page is 5. First of all, enter it and then repeat the remaining sequence as it is. Now go to the next page. What is the page number 6? Check whether it is there into your frames. So first is 5, second is 3, and third is 0. No, page number 6 is not there. We need to make a slot for this page number 6. Okay, so our rule is that key replace the oldest page. Now my question is, who will tell me that कि कौन सा page में replace करूं? Any guess? कोई guess कर सकता है? Very simple. You have the answer in front of you. Guess तो करो. Yes, anyone? कौन बताएगा? Yes, बोलो कुछ तो, then only I can understand ना कि आपको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं. So I want to allocate the slot to this 6. Yes, tell me. कोई तो बोलो कि मैम you have to replace 5, मैम you have to replace 3, मैम you have to replace 0. Oldest page कैसे find out करना है? I have told you. So find out the oldest page from this one. 3 pages are there. कौन सा oldest page है now? 5 है, 3 है या 0 है? यस वैदेही बता सकते हो आप? 3 बराबर है. So it is right. So 3 is the oldest page. So I told you how to come is decide it. So 5 एक ही बार है आपके इसमें. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 times into your frame. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 0 is there. So which one is the oldest? 3. देख के आप बोल सकते हैं ना, काउंटिंग की भी जरूरत नहीं है. 3 is the oldest page, you can see. So replace this 3 with this your newly arrived page, that is 6. Okay, पहले new वाला page लिखो, then remaining pages you can write into your frames. Now next page number is 3. Check whether it is there. So 5 is there. Okay, am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry, I have a very poor network today. So we will just finish it early. So now next is 3. So find out the oldest page. So you can easily find here that is the 0 is the oldest page. Right? So put this page 3, newly coming page 3 in this frame 3, and then remaining frames are as it is. So it is 5, 6, 3. So now you have to find here that is the how many page hits are there and how many page faults are there. So I have written here answer. Number of the page hit 1. So just count. It is 1. Page faults are 6. कैसे मैंने किया? So 1. Give me the 5 minutes. I will just change my solve the net issue. Just give me the 5 minutes, okay? Okay, am I audible to you now? Hello? Hello, अभी आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here now number of the page hit equal to 1. Right? So because you can see here that is hit 1. Number of page faults is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or you can find it that is the total number of pages minus total number of hit. Total number of pages are 7 minus 1 hit, that is your answer is 6. Now hit ratio. Hit ratio means total number of page hit divided by total number of pages. So page hit is 1 divided by total number of pages, that are 7. Now fault ratio. Total number of fault pages divided by 7. Right? So these are the parameters that you have to find. So we will see the one more example and then we will go for the code. Right? So now you have to answer me. Okay. So consider the page reference string. Okay. String is given, pages are given, frames are 4. So मैंने पहले all I have copied all means whole the string, all the pages, and then for each page you have to draw this frame. Okay. So now start to allocate the memory. So first page is 2. So I have written here 2. Right. Next page is 3. So I have copied that page into my frame. So next page is 4. So you know the rule how to copy it. First of all, check whether that is there or not. If it is not there, then only you have to add it, right? So now next one is 2. So then my question is to you that shall I add these 2 into my frames or it is already existing, so that's why it is a page hit operation. क्या करूं मैं? Yes, answer me फटाफट. You have to answer. Yeah. बोलो क्या करेंगे? Okay, this is page number 2. Question is that now page number 2 is there, but you can see here there is a vacant slot and when you compare this with all the pages, so also you know that this page number 2 is already there into my friends. So is it hit operation or fault operation? मैं newly add करूँ यहाँ पे, or should I consider it as a hit operation? Page hit.
Page hit.
Any other guess? क्या लगता है? Just बोलो मैम it is page fault, you need to add it, or मैम it is page hit. Yes, बोलो. Voluntarily you have to talk. I will not take the names. जो लगता है वो बोलो. Yes, Smriti.
Page hit.
Yes, it is a page hit. So just remember, you did a mistake here, means it is my experience. Students did a mistake. They think that here page means vacant slot is there, right? So frame is vacant. So I will add these two into this fourth frame. No. First rule is that check whether that page is there into your memory or not. If it is not, then page fault. If it is there, then page hit. So maybe वहाँ पे बहुत सारे vacant slot है. We don't care about it. So rule हमें सिर्फ follow करना. So now this is the page hit operation, right? Because why? This 2 is already there into our memory. So write it here, hit. Go to the next. Page number 1. Is it there? No. Then add it. नहीं है तो it is very simple. Add it. Right? So page fault. Next 3. Check. 2, 3. Yes, 3 is there. So it is page hit. So write it here, page hit. Go to the next. 7. So 2, 3, 4, 1. No, page is not there. So it is page fault. So now you have to replace one page. अभी फटाफट बोलो कि कौन सा पेज में replace करो. You know that how to identify the page number. So 4 pages are there. 2, 3, 4, 1. Which one is the oldest one? Yes. Which one is the oldest one? Which page should I replace? Yes, Vaidehi? You are not audible with what? Okay, you enter into the chat 2. Good one. Okay, so here 2 is the oldest page. So replace this page. So first make a habit that first of all जो replace करना है, just add the new page there and then repeat the sequence. Okay. So next is 5. Yes, who will tell me that कौन सा page replace करना है? Yes, Rutuja. Can you tell me? Himanshi? Yes, you people are there or not? Ruchi?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा पेज रिप्लेस करेंगे? I have to add the new one, that is the 5. Yes, is it tough question?
Ma'am, 4.
4 आएगा?
3.
Yes, 3. So 7 just we have added. So 3 is the oldest one. Count
Yes,
करना
yes.
है आपको. Count करना है सिर्फ, right? So now 3. Then 4 and 1 remains the same. So next is page number 4. So it is very easy. You can see here page 4 is already there. So it is page hit operation. So you can just continue this sequence. Next is 3. अभी कौन बताएगा कौन सा पेज रिप्लेस करेंगे? सार्थक?
Page 4.
Good. So page 4 you have to replace. So just replace first page, oldest page with the new one right? And then go for the remaining. तो इससे मिस्टेक कम हो जाती है. ठीक है. So now go to the next 2. Check whether it is there. 7, 5, 3, 1. No. So yes. कौन बताएगा next page कौन सा replace करो? बताओ first. Yes.
1.
Yes. So next page is 1. You can see here oldest one. Just count 2, 4, 6. 6 times 1 is there. So 3 तो अभी enter किया एक ही time में. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which one is the oldest? This one page is the oldest one. So just replace it with the new one. Now next page is 1. Page number 1. So you can see here now. Just we replace this page 1. Okay. So again your sequence start with the first page. You can easily identify which one is the oldest one. 7 is the oldest one. So you can replace here that is the 7 with the new page. Okay. So in this FIFO, what happens? Suppose first you replace this first frame. Consider the example page with this first frame. Then second, then third, then fourth. उसके बाद फिर से आपका सीक्वेंस फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट होता है. Okay. So again, first replace this first one, second one, third one, fourth one. एक खत्म होने के बाद suppose और pages से, then again you have to start with the page frame 1, and that logic we will apply to write the code. ठीक है? So number of the page hit. So just count 1, 2, 3. 3 are the page hit. Number of the page fault. 2 ways are there. Either total number of pages minus hit, or just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is there. Hit ratio. Total number of page hit. Total are 3 divided by total number of pages are 12. You can find the answer. Fault ratio 9 divided by 12. This is the fault ratio. That's it. You finished the example. Okay, so now we will see the code. अभी code कैसे लिखना है इसके लिए? So very simple. Logic is very simple, right? So first of all, enter the number of frames. Means 3. Number of frames means this one. यहाँ पे दिया ना frames equal to 4. This is the question. So enter the number of frames. Enter the sequence of pages. Sequence दे दो. Or you can also enter the first of all total number of pages. Suppose 12, 9, 6. And then you can give the sequence of pages. And when you enter it, you will get this answer. So यहाँ पे हमने vertically display किया है 2, 0, 0, 0, 2, 3, vacant, vacant. So instead of vertical here, I have just displayed it horizontal. And this -1 indicates that it is a vacant place. Vacant place को हमने -1 दे दिया. ठीक है? So then number of the hits and then number of the faults. Okay, so just understand the code. So here all the files are there, header files you have to add, then your main function, and for each term just declare the array. So for the page 20 are there, 20 pages, initialize with the 0. Frames maximums you can take 10, initialize with the 0, then flag is 0, hit variable 0. These are the required things. Initialize with the 0 and fault is 0. So small n indicates that total number of page numbers, and NF means indicate the total number of frames.